Finland family, we are back with another video for you.
Hi there folks, today we're going to show you how e-faxing works. Yep, you heard me, e-faxing.
To receive faxes on your workstation, we will be using Outlook. Simply update whoever is sending the fax with your direct number and faxes they send will show up in your inbox.
Where it gets interesting is actually sending a fax out. So let's go ahead and start a new email to create a e-fax. First, insert your recipient's fax number along with your location's fax domain. In the subject field, input your location's access code and an optional title. Keep in mind, any access codes or fax domains will be provided by your business manager. From here, let's make sure the body is empty and we attach the file we are trying to fax. Once the e-fax is sent, you will get a couple emails saying it's on its way. If sending, you get a message saying there was a problem. The email will tell you exactly what that issue may be. And the last email that you will get, my favorite, the success message.
We hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
There it is, e-faxing. Easy peas. See ya.